Hi, this is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that handles birth injury cases throughout the nation. I've been doing a series on birth injuries, and I now have the sixth uh, part of this series, cerebral palsy from birth injuries. And I want to go over occupational therapy, otherwise known as OT. OT focuses on fine motor skills and daily activities, such as self-feeding, dressing, etc. For a young child, an OT might work on grasping objects, bringing hands together, or using special utensils to eat. As children get older, OTs help with skills like writing or alternative writing methods, such as using a computer, and life skills. They also address sensory issues if present. I also can talk about speech and language therapy, which can help children who have difficulty with speech clarity or language delays. For nonverbal or minimally verbal children, speech therapies also help with augmentative and alternative communication. Finding the right communication system is important so the child can express themselves. For children who can speak, therapy can improve articulation and breath control. Speech therapists can additionally help with feeding and swallowing difficulties, which are common in CP. There are also medications to help reduce muscle tightness and spasticity, and these medications can be obtained through the doctors. These can be taken orally and, in more severe cases, delivered via a pump implanted under the skin, which continuously administers the drug to the spinal fluid. And this is sometimes very helpful. For children with localized spasticity, like tightening in the calf muscles causing toe walking, sometimes Botox injections into those muscles can provide temporary relief and improve a range for a few months at a time. If seizures are part of the picture, about 1 in 3 kids with CP have epilepsy. Anticonvulsant medications like Keppra will be prescribed to control those. Orthopedic interventions are also an option. Over time, spasticity can lead to orthopedic issues, hip dislocations, scoliosis, or tight tendons. Orthopedic surgeons may recommend braces or orthotics to keep the feet in good position, or when a child is older, surgery to lengthen the tendons or muscles, and that can help improve mobility. A significant procedure is selective dorsal rhizotomy, SDR, a neurosurgery done usually between the ages of 3 to 8 for certain children with spastic CP. SDR involves cutting some of the sensory nerve fibers in the spinal cord and are contributing to spasticity in the legs. It can permanently reduce spasticity and, combined with intensive therapy, improve walking function for the right candidates. Not all children with CP qualify or need it, but it's an option in specialized centers. There's also assistive technology equipment. Many tools exist to help children with CP be as independent as possible. These range from walkers, standers, gait trainers that can help them practice walking or staying upright, to wheelchairs for mobility, to adaptive seating systems that provide support. There are also a lot of communication devices, and they are crucial for some. Even simple home modifications like bath chairs for safety or ramps fall under this umbrella. Therapists usually guide what equipment is appropriate and help with the process of obtaining it. Often, insurance will cover it if justified as medically necessary. There are also innovative therapies. New approaches and therapies continue to emerge. Even therapeutic horseback riding can help with core strength and gait. Constraint-induced movement therapy, or CIMT, is used for kids with one weaker arm. The child's stronger arm is gently constrained, like in a cast, for a period each day so that they are forced to use the weaker arm, which can dramatically improve its function. Aquatic therapy is also used and can allow freedom of movement that might not be possible on land, building strength in low-impact way. And now robotics and computer-based therapies like a robotic gait training treadmills or video game-based rehab are being studied and implemented in some rehab centers. Families should feel empowered to ask their medical team about any therapies they hear of. Whether or not all are appropriate or evidence-based Many can complement traditional therapies and make positive differences. One key message: early and ongoing intervention is crucial. The brain is the most plastic, adaptable in early childhood, so therapies and experiences in those years can really shape a child's abilities. But progress can happen at any age. Don't give up improvements even in teen or adult years. If you have a child that has a birth injury that caused cerebral palsy, I'm happy to go over the details with you and review the records. We can sit down and determine if there's a viable claim. If there is, we will come up with a detailed strategy to bring the suit and hopefully obtain the compensation that you deserve, and you can help set up care for your child in the future. If you'd like to do that consult, you can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.